Okay. Let me put you right here. Row, row, row your boat gently down the street. No. What should I do with this? I can roll a boat, I can sing, or I can fight people with it. Mom! Meh! 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 Ooh, what was my mom doing? Yeah. Hey, Jabby. Yeah! Oopsie. Okay, here we go. It's gonna go back. It's gonna go back. I see you. Right, go get Nana. Just tell her. What's it? Right. Go tell her Marcus got some videos that she needs to look at. Say Marcus has videos and he needs you to look at them. No, say Marcus needs you to look at YouTube videos of him. Yo! How you doing? Whip. That popping up there. Let me whip. Hey, he got the killer clown mask up, bro. Let me look killer clown mask here. Just stick it right into my hair like to swing. I'll think of me. Just great decoration. What'd she say?
She said yes.
What?
She said yes.
She said yes. What do you mean she said yes? Girl, get back here with my stick. Hey, it's my stick. My mask, my culture. Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. Do, 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 do. Do, do, do. Oh, snap. No. Let it go. Let it go. Can't hold it back anymore. It's raining. Here, you want to get under the umbrella?
Yes. Hurry. I can do it. I can do it.
No, let's just sit down real quick. Yo, it's raining, bruh. Huh. Right. Okay, here. There. No, don't take it. Just here. It's under you still, okay? Good? Hi.
I just like the rain.
Okay, I'm gonna take off. What the hell is it? Oh, it's raining. It's raining. It's gonna take me a little walk here. Oh, stop! Oh, stop! Oh, stop! I wish it was pouring. It's not even as bad. Oh, snap. It's as bad. I gotta set up this camera.